Just listen to your favorite music for 15 seconds and make $3, and you can do this on repeat. You can let it run and make $3 every 15 seconds. Just listen to your favorite songs on the radio and get paid every 15 seconds you got that radio station on. It doesn't matter if you like rock and roll, if you like rap, if you like country western music, maybe you like classical music, maybe you like some Mexican mariachi music. It doesn't matter. You're gonna get paid every 15 seconds just for listening to your favorite music. Does it cost you anything? No, it doesn't. Is it available in your country? Why, yes it is. It's available worldwide. They support every single country. All you're gonna need is an internet connection, and then you're gonna get paid just for playing the radio. And I'll tell you what, this is a great way for some of you college students, some of you teenagers out there to make some extra money. I know you guys like music, and by the way, you don't even have to have the volume up, you know, just let the radio run, turn it down, and make money. You don't even know you're making the money. It's free, it's worldwide. This is getting paid to do nothing. See that right there? Every 15 minutes, and you can cash out into your bank account, PayPal account, you can get Amazon gift cards, or you can cash it in for Bitcoin, baby. Oh, and by the way, stay till the end of the video because I'm gonna show you another way to make money listening to music, but this time you're gonna help predict the next hit. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to get paid to listen to new music, write a short review, and get paid. So guess what? Now you can tell your friends you're a record company executive. You're in charge of what gets on the radio now. You can tell them that and you will not be lying. You guys want to know what my favorite song is? It's a mega hit. It's a mega hit. You may have heard it. It's called Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Written by me, baby. Subscribe to the channel. You want to hear the song? It's a love song. It goes like this. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Do it today. Isn't that beautiful? Hit the subscribe button, like the video. Okay, let's stop wasting time. Let's get right into this. The first site you're going to go to is called Radio Earn. That's radioearn.com. And you're just going to want to hit the sign up button right here. And you'll just enter a username, first name, last name, email address, password, repeat password, and as always, guys, they do ask you to confirm your email address, so be prepared to do that. Once you've registered, this is what your dashboard will look like, and since this is a new account, you can see there's 0 points, nothing on here yet, but to get some money on there, you want to go right here to Start Earning, just click that, and then come down to Listen Radio. And you can just type in a search up here, whatever music you like. You can just start these radio stations. This one I think is in German because it says German news. Okay, we got dance party, R&B, hip hop. There's something for everyone here. So this is basically what it is. Just click on any one of these stations and it will actually open it up into a new tab and it will start playing. Just push play right here. Oops, play. This summer, there you go, and an ad will play. You might just want to turn it down. So an ad will play, then it'll just keep running. So then what you're going to want to do is open up a new tab, log back into your radioearn.com account, okay, and just play the next radio station down because that'll open up yet another tab. So your goal here is to just get all the radio stations playing at once with the volume down on separate tabs so you're making as much money as many tabs as you can open. You can also do this on multiple different devices. The other way you can make extra money on this site is let a radio station play in one tab, come back over to your home page here, and then hit Start Earning here, and then go to Surfing. And then you can generate yourself a little link by clicking right here, and you can start surfing the web and make money for every 15 seconds you're doing that. So that is another way that you can make extra money. Just hit surf now and you're good to go. And this will bring you to basically their own little search engine here. You can click on any of these articles, you can come down here and click on any of these topics, but the fact of the matter is you don't really have to do that. You can just let this one be as long as you are on this page. As long as this page is open in any tab, you don't have to click on anything. You're getting paid every 15 seconds that's running as well. Okay, now it's time to make even more money and become record company executives. You probably want to know how you're going to get paid by listening to new, up-and-coming, and oftentimes unreleased music. You get to make the call. Does it make the cut? Does it not? You're going to get paid. We're about to get to that, but first, if you haven't done so already, please like this video, subscribe to Online Moneymaker. You know what? It's all love, people. You're gonna sleep good tonight if you subscribe to Online Moneymaker. And just because you did that, I'm gonna give you a quick little bonus here right in the middle of the video. Another way you can make money listening to the radio. Go to cashforminutes.com. You're gonna wanna download this onto your phone. This is for mobile devices, and what this is gonna do is allow you to use your extra phone minutes to listen to internet radio broadcasts and get paid. If you have unlimited minutes on your phone bill plan, your phone plan, whatever, then you're going to be cool with this because you could just throw your phone to the side, listen to a radio broadcast. I mean, you don't have to listen to it, you know what I'm saying? So all you got to do here, go to Cash for Minutes, sign up right here. It's the typical thing: email, password, confirm email. Then you want to download the app onto your phone. Use your unused minutes or your unlimited minutes to listen to internet radio broadcasts, make money listening to the radio. So check this out. You're gonna review some music and get paid. I know it says earn gift cards, but that means that like Visa, cash cards, all that. And what you're gonna do, you are going to influence what gets released to the public, influence record labels, radio stations, the artists, and their managers. So basically, if I turn on the radio next week and it sucks, it's your fault. And this is the site that's gonna let you do it. It's called hitpredictor.com. So just go to hitpredictor.com. For some reason, when I type this into just my normal search bar, it doesn't come up. But when I just Google Hit Predictor and then click on the first one, it comes up. So do that. I don't know why I'm saying Hit Predictor. It's here in the West Coast of the United States, it's Hit Predictor, baby. And I'll give you one guess as how to sign up. Anybody know? Anybody know? That's right, you hit this blue button right here, sign up now, it's free. And then to sign up, just create a screen name, an email, a password, and they do want to know your ethnicity, and I'll tell you why, because a lot of what determines how music gets released and whatnot, they want to know who the people, the ethnicity of the people listening to it are. Take that for what it is, but that is what it is. So put your correct ethnicity in there, or don't, who cares. Fill out all this stuff. You don't need to put your correct birth date if you don't want to. Put your correct country. You do not have to put in a phone number here, and if you have a promotional code, I don't have one for you, I'm sorry, but you would put that here. I'm not a robot, sign up. And then they're gonna ask you a few different questions, mainly about your musical taste, you know, so just click off whatever of these you want, because you know what, if you don't like country music or Christian, they don't want you reviewing it because you're gonna say it sucks anyway. Makes sense? Then after you've chosen 3 different styles of music that you like, they'll ask you to tell them your favorite radio station. If you do not have a favorite radio station, you can put this one in, KROQ, K-Rock. It's an alternative station here in Los Angeles, California. So type KROQ in, hit find, and then this will come up right here. You just click on that, and then we're on to the next step. And after all that, you're finally in. This is what your dashboard would look like. And when you are ready to start reviewing music, you'll just click Rate Music right here. It will open it up in a new tab. Go through the CAPTCHA here, and then based off the interest you provided before, new music will start popping up. So when I went into this right away, this song Deafening by Solence came up. You listen to 1 minute and 16 seconds of it. Sounds kind of like this. Okay, whatever. And then you will be prompted to rate it and leave a review, and then you're getting paid. It's as easy as that, people. Welcome to the record business. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Do it now. Show me the love. Like the video. Thank you for watching.